In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email using Gmail with a carbon copy, also known as CC. This is a great way to keep others in the loop on emails you send. Let's go through the process together, and by the end, you'll be able to send an email with confidence. But first things first, we need to head over to Gmail. You can do this by opening your web browser and visiting www.gmail.com. Logging in with your credentials will take you to your inbox, where you can see all your received emails. You might already be familiar with this interface. Once you're in, locate the Compose button, which is usually found on the left-hand side of your screen. It's often a big, colorful button, making it easy to spot. Go ahead and click that. When you click Compose, a new message window will pop up, typically at the bottom right of your screen. It has all the usual fields prepared for your input. The first field you'll see is the To field. This is where you type the email address of the person who's the main receiver of your email. It's important to ensure that you input the correct email address to avoid your message getting lost or ending up in the wrong hands. Once you've addressed your primary recipient, you might want to include additional people who should be aware of the conversation. This is where CC, which stands for carbon copy, comes into play. Click on the CC link usually positioned beside or near the To field. You'll notice a new field appears, ready to take in email addresses. Enter the email address of the person you want to keep in the loop. The CC field is useful, for instance, if you want your manager or colleague to be aware of what you just communicated. Keep in mind, unlike BCC, everyone will see who else has been copied on the email, which is great for maintaining transparency among the email's receivers. With your recipients added, it's time to focus on the heart of the email, the content. Write your message in the large body area. Remember to keep your communication clear and concise, aiming to express your thoughts effectively. Don't forget to add a subject line representing the email's main topic. It helps recipients understand what the email is about even before they open it. Before hitting that send button, give your email a final once-over. Check for any spelling mistakes or things you might have missed. And when you're satisfied, go ahead and click send. Just like that, your email is on its way. And there you have it, a complete guide to sending an email in Gmail with a carbon copy. With this knowledge under your belt, you can communicate efficiently and keep important recipients informed. Happy emailing?